Welcome back everyone. It's time for an unboxing video. As you can see, we got the Hisense, I don't know how to pronounce that, is it Hisense? HS2100. This is a soundbar and subwoofer, and it cost £99 from Argus, and it's supposed to be 240 watts, which is just ideal for what I want. You don't want it out too loud, and it's the beast. Let's get it open and see if it's worth the £100. Certainly well packaged, put it that way. Bloody hell. There we are. Okay. First impressions. Basic. It's got a HDMI, power cord, aux, digital audio. Nice mesh front. Get to the subwoofer, which is a thin little box. There's a power button. Yeah, after that. There's the soundbar. It's not super big, but that's what you want for a small room. Oh, focus. Yeah, Nice little cushion pad. Questions or comments? Leave them down below. This is going to be the last video of the year. So I'll see you next year. Thank you for all the support, and have a Merry Christmas. Get this up and running. If you drop me a message, I'll let you know if it's any good. If you want to buy one. 99 quid, August. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next year.